Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I just realized I must have moved something on this one. Somebody's trying to do this right here where they can actually cut out little boxes, little slots inside of a star. And they were talking about using rectangles, and I don't think you need to do that. So I just drew a star. I went to underneath the polygon tool and took a five-sided star, but they don't want them touching the outside. They don't want the rectangles going all the way. So that's really easy. By going to Effects in Contour, we're going to contour to the outside like 0.5. Now I want to break the contour apart, and I want to grab my larger one and I'm going to move it out of the way. Now I'm going to draw a line, and you don't have to draw it in the same direction. Let's just draw a line at any direction. They can change that if they want. Put that right there on that node, and then go up there and put one on this node. If they're plenty long, I think. So I'm going to shift select this. I'm going to go to Effects and Blend, and I suggest an odd amount sometimes. And that's all we have to do, but I would strongly suggest going Control G to group that. And then just take your Smart Fill tool, and this is going to maybe work out because those two tips, well, I don't know till I get there. Shouldn't do that if we want every other line. Yep, see that tip is, they're going to have to figure out, which way they want it, maybe contour more times. But that looks pretty good. And then we could just take this, which was grouped together. That looks pretty cool. And then left click, right click, and then just drop this back down. And because we contoured, those boxes are shy of going to the edge. Now I probably went maybe more than they want, but I'm hoping that helped them. I would try, just kind of look at different contours, different blends. And I don't know if they have a specific size they were going for, but that's the way I would do it. And this is, you could do just the opposite and take the Smart Fill tool and fill in that, and you'd have stripes like that. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.